Hello, Romanos Vlog. Thank you. So later. Huh? I'm just making a cookie. Oreo keychain. See. Yeah. Ganda. Ticketing. Just like this one is so tight. Yeah. A little bit tight than the other one. But it's okay. I have two Oreo cookie. This one is small size. Large jar. Are you picturing it? No. Cookie Oreo keychain. So I want to try this only a small size here. So the next one I'm gonna make this only 2 rounds and then no more this single stitch or single crochet stitch. So I'm gonna use this here. I want to make just like a small size. So thank you for watching and thanks for the like. Don't forget to subscribe also. So first I'm gonna make a magic ring and then 14 double crochet stitch including the 3 chains. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna make now